Oder wichtiger, sag gerade, auf QSP sind die größten Streamer der Welt drauf. Stimmt das?
Komm in die Gruppe zu uns und red mit mir und Heiko wie ein anständiger Mensch, okay? Soll ich weiterziehen? Geh Gruppe, drück G in die Gruppe. Drück G sofort. Ich schwöre, ich leg dein Ohrläppchen ab. Ich leg's ab. Nein! Let's go. Ich bleib drinne.
Nein, ich muss Heiko in-game treffen!
Was? Sag, wo ich treff.
Ich komm nur, ich lauf grad zum Spawn, ich bin richtig weit weg.
Endtagen ist geil, ne?
Ja, das ist geil.
Du auch.
Hä? Oh Gott, ich sterbe. Bro, du willst mich verarschen. 1400. Ey, ich habe bis jetzt nur Pech im QSP. Bro, mein einziger Content gerade im QSP ist einfach nur laufen. Ich laufe die ganze Zeit nur. Digga, ich werde mit so Stuff geiern, ich kann nicht mehr. Bruder, wenn ich noch einmal sterbe, ich geh offline. Bro, da waren alle, ich hab's gesehen auf Minimap, Digga. Da waren 5, 6, 7 weiße Punkte. Let's go.
I crossed my fingers when I joined the regime.
Het hele regime is gewoon de Spider-Man meme. Oh,
Ja.
hallo.
Hallo, was geht ab?
Hello!
Zo. Welkom.
Hugo! This is the first time we meet, I think.
Yeah, it's the first time.
Hello, Mr. Hugo. How are you doing?
I'm
even
okay.
Amsterdam.
I'm okay. I have to walk 3K blocks because I die all the time.
You have a
Well-
disease that if you don't walk 3K blocks, you die?
No. I was right here. I was right here before like 10 minutes, but I missed the MG and I died, and I have to walk again 2K blocks. My my body was right here.
We'll make it worth it. We'll make it worth it.
Where
Hugo.
did you fall from? From the roof?
I grappled there, and then I missed the MG. You know.
Oh no. Oh no. Okay.
Okay.
That's impressive.
Okay, Hugo, here.
Could've
Have
been a
some
slab.
salmon nigiri. Have some salmon nigiri.
Danke. In
Ja,
Deutschland
no
sagt man,
problem.
Mashallah,
Ja?
danke.
Oh. Ja?
Ah!
Oh.
You say that in Germany? Mashallah? Oh!
Ja, sagt man.
I have a lot to learn about our neighbors to the east.
Seid ihr Niederländer?
Ja.
Yeah,
Ja.
except for our French friend over here.
I'm French. Je suis française.
Oha! Oh, okay, pass auf. Ich kann auch Französisch
viel
reden, weil ich komme aus
enthusiaster
Luxemburg.
You're
Ah,
from
tu peux parler
Luxembourg?
français?
Oui, je peux parler
Intéressant.
français.
And ich spreche Deutsch ein bisschen.
Oh, okay.
Nou, dit is
Ja,
wat,
dat is
dat is
mijn
Ah,
sprechen.
Voel een klik
Sorry,
al meteen.
sorry
Ja.
jongens, maar ik spreek ook een beetje Duits.
Könnt ihr mal Niederländisch,
nicht.
Ich
Ich
auch
nicht.
ein bisschen durch. Meine Freunde.
könnt ihr mal Niederländisch reden? Weil ich glaube, das hört sich ein bisschen an wie Luxemburgisch, glaube ich.
Oh,
Haben
like,
Sie
ja,
die
ja,
auch in eine
Limburgs.
andere Farbe?
Was?
He's trying, he's trying.
Wat hangt er aan de lijn?
Wat hangt er aan de waslijn?
Was ist an der Wäscheleine?
Ja!
It's a classic Dutch joke.
It's a Dutch pen.
It's very funny on what we call the MBO.
Okay.
Ah, c'est une expression? C'est une
Yeah.
blague de chez vous?
It's like when people from Germany say what, they say was. And what Jeremy says is like, what do you put on the washing line? And people from Germany don't understand it, so they say was.
Was.
And was
Which means
is
laundry.
laundry.
In German
So-
is also
Okay,
thing,
I
was
understand.
deine Hose
Was
ist
is
nass.
ook German as well, yes.
Ah, je comprends.
Ja, dat zeiden zij ook. Ja, was, weet je broek is nat. Dat zeiden ze vorige keer ook tegen ons, maar dat snapten wij dan weer niet.
Yeah, but you have like the same joke you do to people from Holland, right?
Wait. No.
You have-
No.
Oh.
But, okay, I tried. I speak Luxembourgish, and you have to say if it's like a little bit like Dutch, all right?
Okay.
Okay. Moin, ich bin Hugo und haut sich auf der Gamescom laden.
You just spoke German, but faster.
No. Okay. I say one. Okay. I say one phrase in German and then in Luxembourg. All right. I say.
Okay.
Okay,
I
yeah.
say. I walk the streets down. Okay. Ich laufe die Straße runter. This is German. And now
Yes.
Luxembourgisch. Ich gehe die Straße rauf.
Dat klinkt
That's
helemaal
not close to Dutch.
It's like more German. More German.
Yeah, right. Okay.
I understand the first part. It looks like it's like
Ik loop
Dutch
de
way-
straten. Ja, ik
Yes.
loop de straat. Ik loop over
Ja.
de straat.
Ik loop
Ja,
over de
straat.
straten.
Yeah.
Ja.
Hallo Hugo.
Reden maar,
And
reden
then the
maar.
Luxembourg one is, I don't know. No,
Abel-
didn't
Abel-
understand
staat.
anything. Yeah. Labbidi-babbidi-bop.
But you belong to the Benelux.
What is
Yeah.
Benelux?
Yes, that's Benelux.
That's the Belgium, Netherlands, Luxembourg. It's like a
Oh
Ah,
yeah!
les
combination.
Belges.
Yeah.
Ja.
Yeah,
Benelux.
yeah.
So now
You
you're
part of us.
Ah, right.
We're
part of
homies.
us.
From
We're
Belgium.
homies.
Ah,
Yeah.
yes.
we are-
We always
Yeah.
forget about
Homies,
that.
brothers from another
Chez
mother.
Oh yeah, yeah.
You like
reden
the
maar.
Benelux
I have a lot of
homies.
Belgian viewers as well.
Oui, énormément.
Is French also
Ah,
there?
yeah.
No.
You have like
No,
No,
the
no,
Welsh
no,
part
Okay.
of Belgium.
no.
and we
Otherwise
have
it was
the
a
Flemish part
Befra.
of Belgium.
Befra
Wacht even.
Benelux.
Befra Deluxe.
Ah,
Yeah,
oui,
okay,
la
you're
partie
right.
galloise. Ah,
Yeah,
oui,
yeah, yeah.
forcément.
No, we don't.
Belges qui parlent
I
français.
kind of expected us to be able to
Oh,
understand
well,
people
not
from
Welsh.
Luxembourg, but we don't.
Welsh is
Ja, ich dachte
Which is
auch,
weird because
Great Britain.
still they're in the Benelux.
Yeah, that wasn't right.
Les Wallons.
Zauberer
Yeah, I don't
war,
know
weil
why
es
the-
immer noch
why-
da im Kopf aussieht. Was ist? The translation is a little bit
Oh.
cooked. I
Yeah, so I have to enunciate like better.
think. Yeah. Bro,
Yeah.
Okay, so
Is it because the penis
Doesn't matter.
head? It's because the penis head, right?
yeah,
Penis?
Yeah, the penis head.
my head,
Schwanz?
it's in the way.
Oh, ist das ein Schwanz?
Head.
Alter,
Ja, ja,
Ja,
de Schwanzhead.
C'est pas.
geil.
Nee, wat zeiden ze ook eigenlijk? Eine
Fleischpeitsche.
Fleisch.
Fleischpeitsche.
Fleischspeize.
Ja, Alter, warum kennt ihr das Wort?
Ja,
Because
de
we met
andere
Wichtiger.
Duitsers.
Ah,
ja.
wichtiger. So, ja, okay. Boah, kann ich euch auch noch was
We kregen
beibringen?
meteen een
Ich überleg kurz.
spoedcursus van Wichtiger.
Ah, okay, check.
Ja, where is Wichtiger?
Der ist auch auf dem Server gerade online. Der ist neben mir. Wir sind gerade in so einer LAN-Party.
Oui, justement.
Oh, echt?
Ja.
Ze zijn aan het landpartyen.
Nein,
Oh,
also,
echt?
Nein, LAN-Party. L-A-N.
No, de
Yeah, we have,
Ja,
we have a
land.
little
Ja, ja,
party.
ja.
Ja, ja.
Come with us.
Yeah,
We
cool.
finish the
Oh.
party. And
So-
you
Maar met
can
wie allemaal?
continue building.
With who?
I was wondering if you already saw
Also
some of
richtig
your
viele aus Deutschland
neighbors from
und von QSP sind ich und Wichtiger hier.
the Seal. What's it
Oh,
called again?
cool.
Wat goed.
From the, have you ever?
Ja.
Maar ik hoor niks van hun. Dus
Kunt u
zit
mir-
je in dezelfde kamer echt?
Könnt ihr mir was auf Niederländisch beibringen?
Le Brésilien, jamais.
You haven't
Ja,
seen
wir sind in de gleichen Raum.
Ja, tuurlijk.
because I haven't told
Wat
them
wil je
beginnen wel
weten?
met, we beginnen wel met vleeszweep.
I should go there.
Oh ja, vleeszweep.
Fleischpeitsche. Vleesweb.
Later. Yeah?
Vleeszweep.
Vleesweep.
Vleeszweep.
Oh no, you
Das
don't
heißt
have to go back
Fleischpeitsche.
now. You can stay, of course you can stay. I
Vleesweep.
said
Vleeszweep.
Wie sagt man,
They don't
wie sagt
know
man
you are gonna build
Wichse
there
auf
yet.
Niederländisch?
I haven't seen them today online.
Wixer?
Wixer.
I don't know if they're online now.
Wat is Wixer?
Some of them,
Kennt ihr nicht Wichser?
some of them are online
Nee.
now. Wait, you
Wichser.
can join the party?
Wichser? Ihr wisst nicht, was Wichser heißt?
The party, yes.
Nee?
Yes,
It's
I'm
like-
gonna go to
It's
Brazil
like,
quick. So I'm gonna tell them.
Bedoel je
Yeah, sorry,
rukken?
okay, I
Zwaffelen?
understand now. Okay, j'ai compris.
no.
Okay, see you later. Oh, I have not enough experience.
It's like
I have
when
to
you-
hit something.
When you are in the bed and you feel like a little bit horny, you know?
Oké.
And then
Horny.
you
Oké.
Fleischpeitsche rumwedelen.
Oh, dus ik denk zwaffelen.
Rukken.
Ik denk dat hij zwaffelen bedoelt.
Nee.
Want het is... Het een rukker.
I watch TV.
You mean rukken.
Télé. Duits.
What?
Helikopteren.
Hey.
You mean de helikopteren.
You say helicopter in the Netherlands?
You know this man?
Ja?
What the fuck? Okay, nice. Helikopteren.
Wait. Ja, helikopteren. You know what a helicopter is?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, yeah, just like the helicopter.
But you don't mean the helicopter with your Fleischpeitsche, right?
We need French, German subtitles.
Yes?
Okay. Interessant.
Yeah, sorry for that.
Nein, alles
I
gut.
guess.
Hä? Warum ist hier ein Fernseher?
Okay.
What the fuck?
This is Dutch television.
What?
This is the point where they were. Oh wait, I don't know what it part.
How you
this is where
did
he's,
that?
he's
This is
very
you,
happy
Jeremy,
to be
this is you.
among. No, that's not me. That's not me.
J'avais l'impression.
No, these are
you're
very
way
popular
too,
moments
safe.
in our culture.
Crazy.
I don't know what this is though. Why is it all the way like
Ik hoor alleen
down
niks.
the camera? Yeah, the volume is off. Here. Can you hear it now?
Bro, what?
He said it's not my store.
Steek aan dat ding, Peter. Steek aan.
Look, this is karbiet schieten.
Holy shit.
It's our culture. Yeah.
Bro, what?
Oh,
This is Jeroen. He's very stupid.
Jeroen is stupid. Look,
Jeroen, doe hem maar.
He has to do normal.
yeah, Jeroen has to do normal with the fire.
Jeroen has to be careful.
Why is Jeroen so dumb?
I think Jeroen was drunk.
Okay. Bro, he's like firebending like
Jeroen just
Avatar,
blew up a
bro.
car.
Firebending.
Toen ik hoorde dat mijn beste vriend
Oh, this
vader
one is
was
good.
geworden. Hij is pas 16 en het kind is gisteren geboren. Gefeliciteerd hè?
His friend is gonna be a dad and he's just 16 years old.
Tot?
Alcohol. Nou mevrouw, ik ben een alcoholist.
And this one is saying, I'm alcoholic, so water
Dus normaal drink ik 2
Water
You wanna
is
poison
poison.
me?
What?
You wanna poison me?
heel erg warm.
Ça devrait être le slogan. This is the slogan.
Doe je mij voorzichtig of zo?
Yeah.
Slow, yeah.
Water is poison.
Water is poison.
Oh, de nitrage bij, ja. Oh,
Kan je morsen?
Do you know Morse code, Hugo?
Morse code I know, yeah.
Yes. Oh, you know every language. French, Deutsch,
Yeah.
Luxembourg, Morse.
Can we speak a little bit French? Then I know if I can.
Als je de films hebt
I can speak French, you know.
Oh, je
Tu peux parler
Zet ik
français?
het geluid
Oui,
Donc,
oui, je.
oui.
rechtermuisknop,
Je veux,
volume, slider en LC.
Tester.
Tu veux que je te teste et que je te
Oui.
parle en français?
Oui.
Ok. Eh bien, où est-ce que tu habites actuellement?
J'habite à Luxembourg et à Madère.
Ah, et à Madère.
Madère,
D'accord.
the island.
Quelle est la nourriture préférée des Français selon toi?
Le préféré manger de la France.
Des Français.
Croissant.
La nourriture préférée, le croissant. Et quelle est la nourriture préférée des Luxembourgeois?
Bodenschloep.
Poloschloup?
Bodenschloep, yeah.
Poloschloup? Qu'est-ce que
Yes.
c'est que le poloschloup?
I have returned.
C'est une soupe avec la saucisse
Waarom?
et avec les
We zijn Frans aan
avec
het
les
praten, dus we
légumes.
voelen ons een beetje left out.
Avec des légumes.
praat u niet dan
D'accord.
Nederlands?
Tu te débrouilles vraiment bien en français?
Maar dat wordt vertaald.
Je comprends.
lieten trouwens
Je
net,
comprends.
we hebben even wat internetgekjes
ik verstehe
gekeken en ze
90%,
vonden Jeroen pas nooit
Aber reden ist so 30%.
Oh,
Ah
dit
oui,
is trouwens ook
mais
toepasselijk
non, je
voor,
dirais que
voor
tu
Chapo.
parles,
Maar hier is te veel.
dat
Kom
is
maar raus, is te veel reden
Ah oui,
gerade.
oui. Ah, tu parles très bien. Même, je trouve que on te comprend très bien. Ça serait 50%.
Merci beaucoup, merci
Just
beaucoup.
1 second before you guys continue your talk in French.
Yeah?
If you, please go ahead, talk as much French as you like, but don't leave. If you want to leave, first come over into the bar. You'll get you some food, and we have some talking to do. But please stay here and talk as much French as you like, and we see you later back in the bar.
Okay.
Ok.
Okay.
Ma maman est française.
Ah, ta maman est
Oui, oui.
française.
But,
Oh.
mais il.
Tu fais comme les Français, tu hésites, c'est bien. C'est très français ce que tu viens de faire.
Oui, ok, merci. Mes parents parlent luxembourgeois als ich Kind war.
Ah, ok, je comprends. Oui, tu as habité enfant au Luxembourg.
Oui.
Est-ce que tu veux faire la révolution?
Quelle révolution?
Hugo sagt zu die Holländer, das
La
Vernunft in die Kolben.
révolution pour le régime. Tout faire exploser.
Alles umbringen?
Tout.
Okay, okay.
Every.
Ja?
Absolument tout. On va
Oui.
tout faire explose.
Oui.
Oui.
Oui. Le
Oui.
régime?
Très bien. C'est bien, t'es dans notre camp alors.
Ok, geil.
Est-ce que tu as, comment dire ça, une expression typique du Luxembourg?
Je ne sais pas. Ich glaub nicht, nee. Ich glaub, nee. Dafür ist unser Land leider zu klein.
Et trop petit pour ça, d'accord, ok. Ok. Est-ce que tu es déjà allé en France?
Also sehr oft. Ich war sehr oft in Südfrankreich. Je suis very, also sehr oft Elsass. Tu
Ah,
connais?
Alsace, oui, très bien.
Elsass, oui. Ich wurde operiert in Nancy. Nancy.
Tu as eu une opération médicale?
Oui.
Ok.
Euh,
Pourquoi?
Tu connais Aneurysme?
Ah oui, anévrisme.
Oui,
Oui.
j'étais un aneurysme dans ma tête.
Ah, ok.
Oui. Warum
Et
sagt sie
donc,
das so
tu as été
geheim?
soigné en France. Incroyable.
Oui. Da war so ein Experte.
Ah, tu as voyagé en hélicoptère?
Non. Avec l'auto. Avec le...
Oh.
Oui.
Ok. Eh ben, c'est... Waouh, je suis impressionnée.
Danke.
Je
Food.
bent toch juist niet opgewonden? Ah, you guys are back.
Yeah.
Yes.
Bier. I want a beer.
Bier.
Bier,
Oh,
Alkohol,
Hugo-
Sauf bis zum Tod. Bis zum
Hugo,
Absturz.
Presea does also has some drugs, if you're interested.
Drugs is good. Yeah.
Yeah, drugs is good. Okay, just one rule: no snorting of the bar. If you want to snort it, do it of these things of the.
Okay.
Oh, thank you.
Übergeil.
But you still have the sushi. You're eating us poor.
You're costing us an arm and a
You're
leg.
costing
Bro, ich hab voll
all
vergessen, dass du
ons
Heiko eigentlich noch
arm
bist,
and
ne?
legs.
Okay, Leute, ich muss jetzt zu Castcrafter, einen deutschen Kollegen. Ich wollte eigentlich treffen
Oh.
vor einer halben Stunde, aber ich hab's vergessen.
Castcrafter is our great friend. Where is he?
Ah, nein.
He is also welcome.
Geil. Ich weiß nicht, wo der ist.
Castcrafter knows a lot of facts about the Netherlands.
Ja,
Yes.
der weiß alles.
Ja.
Der ist schlau, der hat eine Brille an.
Yeah, it's because of
Ah,
the glasses.
that's how you see it. When somebody has glasses, he is
Yeah,
smart. That's how it
exactly.
works. Yes.
Oui. Les
Oui.
lunettes rendent intelligent, en effet. Hmm.
Okay, Hugo.
Exactly,
Yeah,
that was
Have a
good.
nice day,
Thank
and
you.
I
You
will
too.
get you that warp stone.
Thank you.
Ah,
Have a nice
thank you,
evening.
Thank you.
Then have a nice...
Hey, more guests.
Alter! Hello!
So many hellos. Yes, there's coffee.
Hey, I wanna do a backflip too!
Press B, maybe?
B? Oh yeah, B? Oh.
B?
Oh!
Whoa! I think the stuff is kicking in.
Oh,
Let's
shit!
The green stuff is kicking in.
Welcome in the cafe.
Oh no,
thank
no
you.
dab, no, oh mein Gott.
Dude, this is.
Das Wichtige ist auch da, der sagt, er want a beer.
Oh, place there's beer?
Alter, Wichtiger!
Oh my God!
Was geht? Deutschland! Deutschland! Wir sind viel zu laut, Wichtiger. Wir sind viel zu laut.
Luxembourg!
Bro, ganze Halle war gerade ruhig, Digga, wir schreien Deutschland. Bro, das geht nicht.
Jeremy, why can't we be this enthusiastic when we see
Wichtiger. Alle waren ruhig gerade.
Maybe it's not in our names.
No.
Maybe we can. Yeah, Jeremy, let's try. Jeremy! Oh, man.
Wait.
Unrequited love, unrequited love once more.
Heiko.
You put yourself out there.
Yeah,
Kann das werfen?
Nederland!
Hey, ich bin auch!
I'm not. That's not my name, Netherlands. Oh, that's what they did.
Chapeau!
No, you're right. They said Netherlands.
Bitte, ich
They said Germany, sorry.
Was?
My bad.
Ah, nein! Du hast mich voll gewichst! Du hast mich voll gewichst!
Thank you for acknowledging my penis head.
It's long.
Nein, das geht.
Thank you, I've been told this before.
You do for me.
But
Press me here!
Oh no.
I use this as an icebreaker to talk to the
Bro, du hast es
Portugal
gerade angespritzt, ne?
people,
Ich hab gerade die
and
Franzosen
it worked
angesprochen.
so well. Now I am considered their king.
Willst du noch mehr? Ich hab noch mehr.
Yes,
Raus, die ist zu laut, Digga.
yes, that's they really.
Ey. Hast du schon die Frösche gesehen?
Welche Frösche?
Es gibt so 2 Straßenmusiker-Frösche. Checkst du?
Nee, hab ich nicht gesehen.
Warte mal, wo sind die hin? Chat, wo sind die? Warte. Wir haben die safe verbrannt. Warte, wir fragen kurz. Trust, Bro, das ist Content.
Okay, we have to throw them out. Jeremy.
Yeah, no, you are the king.
Okay,
You have to throw-
Wichtiger.
Yeah?
Did you throw your shit around on our French guest?
Yeah. My shit and do this. Oh.
Oh, but listen, Jeremy, we need
No, we need security
Out!
for this place.
get them out. Get them out of here! Out of here!
Ah, du musst hier raus!
Out of here! You have a
No.
out! Get out!
No.
Get out and never come back! Close the door! Close the door! Close it!
I can punch him in real life. He sits next to me.
Punch him!
Yeah.
Good. You can. Do you think he has? I think he has learned his lesson. You can come back in.
Yeah. If
You sure look like you did. Come back in.
I mean, like, let's be real. If you would,
Digga.
Don't be
Ich hab dich
shy.
abgelenkt.
you would wear it, right?
Yeah, I mean, I have to try it.
Ich hoffe, deine Hand
It's not
war
even,
lecker.
it's not even rare, apparently.
Nee, ich hab 100 Leuten die Hand gegeben.
No.
It throws to me. Oh, hey! Hey!
Incroyable.
Alter! Tabo, what's poppin', bro?
Hey!
How's it going? What a wonderful place you guys are.
Yeah, thank you. Welcome to the Dutch place.
Hey, you have a nice streaming room, bro.
Bonjour.
Oh, ik doe de giddy!
Thank you.
Nice. Oh my god.
Deze man.
Hey, can we turn on full stream?
He's pressing all the emotes.
Bro, it has a little bit of lag though. I'm a little bit behind. See, I'm over.
Yeah, it's bad internet connection. We just laid it out, man.
Nice. Okay. Okay. It's
They
a
don't
bit.
have fiber.
I'm getting a bit. How do you say this? Self-conscious.
Dit is een beetje
It's fine, it's fine.
Oh.
Okay, guys.
Looking at your
hold on,
stream
hold
with
on.
other people is a bit awkward. I don't know.
Wichtiger, krieg ich den Stein jetzt?
Warte. Guys, hold on.
Ja,
This is... Yeah, Hugo, go full cam.
Oh,
That's me.
Kan niks.
Gesetz dich hin.
Okay.
live Gamescom.
Oui.
Incroyable.
Hey!
Oh,
What the fuck?
They're hugging.
wow.
Wait.
They're fighting in real life. They're
what
just
are
friendly
this-
hugging.
No.
Why is he so red?
I got him.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Hey, spoilers! I was watching this.
Hey, we haven't got that part yet.
Bro,
Okay.
we're living in a Black Mirror episode, man.
We are.
Can
This is
I
the
get
weirdest thing I've
my
ever
warp
done.
stone now?
You get my old stone, okay? My old. It's already used. It's used.
Oh, geil.
Whoa.
How I use them? Bye, guys.
Oh, wait.
Bye.
Okay, Tabo, any
Why?
suggestions?
Oh, it could be anything. Anything. Put anything up on there.
Some Dutch memes.
When you can watch anything, you have to choose something.
I don't know, put on some like city skylines.
City
City Skyline.
Put on City Skyline.
Look, I don't wanna hate your suggestion, but
Okay, I'll just kill myself.
Bro, I'm not the one to judge, bro, but that's nerdy as fuck. We're not doing that.
No, okay, fine. We'll put on
We'll put on
something that makes sense. We'll put on something that makes sense.
yeah.
Could have been
Let's
Geo
go.
hate watcher.
Well
Geo hate watcher Minecraft.
done.
That's a fantastic show.
Wait, we can just stream snipe someone. Let's
Yeah.
put Pierre's stream on and then.
Okay, hold on. Let's turn on someone's stream, and someone here will go there and kill him, okay?
How you talking, bro?
Oh, wait, foolish.
Nein, bitte.
Oh no!
Do we know where he is?
Where is he?
Well, you can see his cords on the top right.
Okay, who goes
Oh, he's pretty
Wait,
close.
you
He's
can't
800
see his
blocks
cords.
away.
Somebody needs to
Yeah.
go there and kill him.
Wait, he's at the mansion. He's at the mansion.
Oh, he's in
Where is
the
that?
Spanish. The Spanish,
Someone go
right?
assassinate him.
Yeah, go.
Okay, let's do like
you
a
have to
decision
go.
game. A decision game. Who gets to kill
Dude,
him?
I
okay?
have. I barely
Okay,
have.
who assassinates
Okay.
Foolish?
I don't have a stone there, otherwise I would.
I cannot
Last one
do
to
it.
crouch assassinates Foolish.
I like him too much.
Oh,
Oh,
crouch.
last
Huh?
one to crouch has. Oh, a Fessy!
Oh,
You have to go.
Prezi, you have to go
you have to kill
assassinate
Foolish.
Foolish. You have to go.
She doesn't even have a sword.
Il faut... Moi, quoi?
We
You have to go assassinate Foolish. I'm sorry.
to more foolish.
Foolish?
Du, 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 du.
I
Max,
foolish.
Max Verstappen.
And we will watch it on the TV.
Where foolish? I don't know.
At the
Take
mansion.
this, take this,
Okay.
and you need to go to him and kill him.
Okay, I kill foolish.
Yeah.
Foolish.
Good, good.
Where foolish?
Look, you can see his cords
You
on
can
the
see on the
stream.
TV.
We can go in the group and say you the chords when it's changed, you know? War das Deutsch?
Yeah. Yeah, no.
Why is the stream quality so good in Minecraft?
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
so
yeah,
good.
it's crazy,
It's
bro.
crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can see the cards, bro.
Yeah,
He
it's
said
crazy
minus
good.
600, minus 1,000. Okay, now you're going to
I'm
die.
just gonna stand there and
Nein,
zoom in
bitte.
and then pretend like it's my.
Oder bitte, er muss mich abholen, bitte. Bevor ich das jetzt vergesse, Bro, wir müssen noch einmal rumgehen, damit ich das gemacht habe. Bro, sonst vergesse ich das. Checkt ihr? Wir müssen einmal rumgehen. Wo ist Luca? Ich hab den gerade noch gesehen.